loves, welcome back to the My Crown of Curls YouTube channel. Today I'll be following a mini Marley hair tutorial and I'm going to follow her how to do a flat twist out video. So I've never done a flat twist out before, but I have gotten better at flat twisting, so you know, I'm excited about this. Okay, so let's get started. If you see me looking down, I'm watching my laptop so that I can follow her tutorial.
Alright, so I'm starting this style on freshly washed hair. I just washed and conditioned and deep conditioned my hair, and it's looking a little bit crazy because it dried out in my towel. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and start by parting off my hair. I like to do a side part, and then I'm going to take this side of my hair, clip it up. I'm going to take the other side of this part and clip this side up. And this is really important. The way I section and twist my hair really affects the way it falls in the end. So if you want to follow this technique, I suggest you do copy.
Okay, so I too am starting off on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, and my hair too is looking a little crazy. So let's see how she parts her hair for this flat twist hairstyle.
Anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and start by parting off my hair. I like to do a side part, and then I'm going to take this side of my hair, clip it up. I'm going to take the other side of this part and clip this side up. And this is really important. The way I section and twist my hair really affects the way it falls in the end. So if you want to follow this technique, I suggest you do copy the parting. Now I'm just going to go to that back section and part it in half. And
okay. So she did like a side part. Okay, so a side part. Okay, yeah, this looks good for a side part.
so the products that I use for this tutorial are the Jane Carter Solution.
Okay, so she is using Jane Carter Solutions on-the-go products, but the products that I have are from Miel Organics Pomegranate and Honey Lime. So I'll be using these. She has a leave-in conditioner, she has a twisting cream, and it seems like she has a jelly thing, but I will be using my shea butter mix for that. Just for my hair texture, I kind of know what it likes, and I think this is best.
So I'm starting with the leave-in that comes in this line, and it's really great for detangling the hair, and I actually do agree because it gave my hair a lot of slip and it made my curls just really silky and soft. Now I'm gonna go in with the curl cocktail, which is basically the cream styler that comes in this line.
Okay, so she applied all of her products all throughout the section. I usually go part by part, but we're following Mini Marley's tutorial today, and we're gonna do what Mini Marley does. Okay, so we're going to apply this all throughout the section like she does. Next, she applies her cream, and she applies it all over the section. So we're gonna do that as well. My hair is like a different texture. It's also very thick, so I really hope that it is properly distributed all throughout my strands. Okay, so that part is done. Let's see what we do next.
So I went ahead and distributed those two products throughout this entire section, and now I'm going in with my Denman brush and I'm detangling the whole section. So the next product that I'm going to go in with is the Coiling All Curls Elongating Gel. This is the gel from that line, and I just use one pump per twist. So I'm just going to take one pump of that gel and apply it to this section, and I actually really like the way that this gel clumped my curls together.
Okay, so next I see that she's already parted out her twist. Mini Marley is just running. She didn't even show me when she parted that twist. So we parted out our twist, and it seems like she's using her gel for each section, and for that I'm going to be using the My Crown of Curls whipped shea butter mix for each section.
And then of course coil your ends at the end of the twist if you can, because that just helps the curls stay even nicer. And this is what my first twist is looking.
Okay, so she does this thing where she twirls the end of her hair, but for her hair texture that works, but it doesn't work for mine. So I'm going to do my bantu knot at the end. I really hope this came out well.
I finished the middle section and the bottom section. So as you can see, I did 2 twists going towards my face, and then I did the other 4 going down towards my ear, just the same way that I did on the other side of my head. So this is what my twists are looking like. I let them dry overnight.
So guys, I had to leave and come back because I needed to see what I was doing in the mirror. I was sweating so much. This flat twist pattern, Mini Marley, it better be the truth, because you have emphasized doing our flat twist just like you did them for the perfect results. So I did some coming this way. I did some going this way. Also those 2 that you have to the front coming forward, the side ones, and at the back there are 2 rows, one that ends here and the other one begins here and goes down. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I'm going to take down my twists, and this is how they are looking. So she says take your time with taking them down, and that's what I'm gonna do. Fingers crossed that this comes out right. Okay guys, so what do you guys think? I think the ends of my hair are very frizzy, more frizzy than they usually are. Trying to get my hair to lay like hers, okay? Oh my goodness. My hair is so frizzy. It's usually a defined curl at the end or something. But yeah. Gonna use a hairpin. Okay, so here's my finished look. My hair is pretty defined from the roots, but at the end it just seems to be frizzy. Do I look like her? Do I look like Mini Marley? What do you guys think? What do you guys think about my hairstyle? So she didn't really pick out her hair because she said she's gonna let it grow bigger during the day. I think I'm gonna do that as well during the week, see how much bigger it gets. I might redo the front with twists just so that I could get my ends to not be as frizzy. But yeah, I tried a Mini Marley hair tutorial. I did my first ever flat twist out and these are my results. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, share this video with a friend and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.